I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be comparing the Antutu benchmark and the Geek benchmark scores between the Realme X2 Pro versus Realme X1 Pro versus the OnePlus 8T device. All these three smartphones, they're having a different kind of processor. So first, let's start with the Realme X2 Pro, which has the Snapdragon 855 Plus. And during this time of Antutu benchmark testing and Geek benchmark testing, I'll try to record the temperatures, how well the different process are handling the temperatures and even the battery draining as well. The Realme X2 Pro has the Snapdragon 855 Plus and the Realme X7 Pro has got the Dimensity 1000 Plus processor. And finally, here is the OnePlus 8T device which has the Snapdragon 865 processor. So let's see friends, in this kind of comparison we will get to know in-depth details about all this kind of three different processors. So right now so many users are really excited for one particular mobile phone, so which is the Realme X7 Pro. So in this video you'll get to know how well the Dimensity 1000 Plus is handling and where the Dimensity 1000 Plus comes. Is it in between these two processors, or is it higher than the 865 or not? So let's see in this kind of full comparison friends. And in case if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also do check the links in description for this kind of live interesting wallpapers. You can find all the links will be available in the description below. So let's get started by opening the Antutu benchmark test application first. So right now you can see friends, the Antutu benchmark test has been started in all the three smartphones. You can see the temperatures right now. It's 32 degrees in the Realme X2 Pro smartphone and 34 and 33 and 33 degrees, as you can see, 33. And in the OnePlus 8T device it's of 34 degrees. You can see here friends, so 32 degrees, 33 degrees and 34 degrees. So let's see after doing the Antutu benchmark test which phone will increase how much the temperatures and how much the battery will be decreased during this time of doing the Antutu benchmark test. And once I finish the Antutu benchmark test, so then I'll try to record the temperatures and then again I'll try to test the Geek benchmark application. So this video will be the combination of the Antutu benchmark test and the Geek benchmark, so that you know exactly which phone is as a better score and which phone is on the top and which phone in the second and which phone is in third place as well. So again I'll be back once the Antutu benchmark has been successfully completed. So as you can see friends, after the Antutu benchmark test, the scores has been out, and in the Snapdragon 865 processor we did see the score about 5,70,000. So usually the score in the Snapdragon 865 in the OnePlus 8T, it will be close to the 5,60,000 and 70,000 most of the time. And in the Dimensity 1000 Plus processor, so which is in the Realme X7 Pro device, you can see the score of 5,20,000. So in the Realme X7 Pro, which has a Dimensity processor, 5,20,000. So which is also slightly close to the Snapdragon 865 processor. But whereas the Realme X2 Pro, so this is a Realme X2 Pro which has a Snapdragon 855 processor. So 855 Plus. 855 Plus processor which scored about 4,92,000. So overall there is only difference of I think 30,000 between this both processors, and between this both processors is close to 50,000 difference is there. So this is another benchmark test comparison, and temperatures 37 degrees, 38 degrees and 36 degrees. It started to cool down again, 37 as you can see. So all the three phones are kind of same in terms of the temperature readings, so nothing got changed. And now let me quickly open the Geek benchmark application and try to do the Geek benchmark 5 test as well. So let's see friends, in this Geek bench 5 which phone will score how much the score. So let me try to quickly open. So all the three phones are ready for the testing, so let me try to start at same time the benchmark test. As you can see, the test has been started at same time as well in all the three smartphones. So let's see which phone will finish the test first. So I'm using the Geek benchmark 5 in all the three phones. So in case if you're having any other doubts regarding these three smartphones, so make sure to comment below friends, and also don't forget to check the links in description for the playlist of each and every smartphone which I reviewed in my channel. That playlist will give you the clear idea about the smartphones as well, which phone to buy and the reason why to buy as well. All this video will be definitely helpful for you all in case if you're planning to buy the phones in the future. So right now the Snapdragon 865 is at 27%, 23% the Dimensity 1000 Plus, and Snapdragon 855 Plus 27, 34, 30, 27, You can see, friends, the difference how it is. The Dimensity 1000 Plus is slightly behind this Realme X2 Pro. So we'll get to know by the end of this test which phone is the best in terms of the single core and multi-core results as well in this all the phones. And make sure to subscribe, friends. And I did so many videos already uploaded on the Realme X1 Pro. So I think I did upload close to 150 videos on this Realme X2 Pro alone. So make sure to check those videos in case if you want to know more details about this particular model, the Realme X1 Pro. So 55 percentage, 51 percentage, and 51 percentage. So right now you can see, friends, the OnePlus 8T has finished the test first with the Snapdragon 865 processor. So you can see the results in terms of the scores as well, the single core and the multi-core results. And the Dimensity 1000 Plus is at 93 percentage and 97 percentage in the Realme X2 Pro. I think the Realme X2 Pro will be finishing the test results first. So it is a Realme X2 Pro device, as you can see, friends, Realme X2 Pro smartphone. And the temperature readings are 38, 39 and 40 degrees. You can see the temperature readings, and this is a geek benchmark score. So this can be the really interesting score comparison between all of the smartphones. So let me try to zoom in a little bit to the mobile phone, so you will actually see the scores clearly for yourself. So in the single core, you can see, friends, there's a huge difference between the Snapdragon 865 and this both processor, but between these two processors there's not much difference between the Realme phones. But in the multi-core as well, you can see the Dimensity 1000 Plus is a little bit kind of higher than the Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, and here you can see the Snapdragon 865 as well, 3992. So this is a quick benchmark comparison between all of these three smartphones. And for more videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends, SciTech Guru. And thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.